Having trouble finding your Windows 11 product key? In this video, we'll show you how to locate it quickly and easily using simple methods. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and search for Product Key Scanner. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the download page for the Product Key Scanner tool. Before downloading, right-click on the Windows Start button and select System. Click on About to check your processor system type. You'll need to know if it's 64-bit or 32-bit to download the correct version. On the download page, select and download the Product Key Scanner. That matches your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Click on Extract to unzip the files to your desired location. Locate the extracted setup file and double-click on it to run the installer. When prompted, click on Run and then click OK. To allow the program to execute. The Product Key Scanner will open, displaying your Windows product key. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes when prompted. To allow the program to make changes to your device, copy the command provided in the video description, paste it into the command prompt window, and press Enter. After the command runs, your product key will be displayed. To close the command prompt, type Exit and press Enter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.